Okay, everyone, never ever tamper with fire alarms in public buildings and in other people's houses. Only do it if you have your own fire alarms at home. Because tampering with fire alarms outside of your own house, especially in a public building, is a very serious felony and it will get you into very serious trouble. And if it's done in a public building, it will endanger the public. So do not ever do this. It is not funny. And you will go to jail for this if you are older. So do not do this ever. These are not toys. These are very serious life safety devices. And these save buildings from being burnt to the ground as well. So this is why you never ever mess with these, ever. You have to listen to me. When I say never tamper with fire alarms, you have to listen to me because you never tamper with fire alarms for any reason. These are not toys. These save lives. These are lifesavers right here. I am darn serious. Do not do this, ever. Or else you will end up like Mikey, and you do not want that to happen, so please do not do this, ever.